Now, we're going to be talking about just two types of prepositions tonight. There are many different types, but I thought we would start with the basic prepositions, just the basic ones. If you understand these ones, you are well on your way. You have a very good foundation if you can understand prepositions that tell us about where and when. And then my goal of the lecture also is to help you learn where and when to use them. So again, I will say, if there are questions, if I am unclear, I so much appreciate questions. In fact, I find the questions make me think about English, so it's very helpful to me if you do ask questions. Okay, now let's get started here. This flow chart helps to explain where prepositions and when prepositions. To start with, we're going to focus on where prepositions, because they're a little bit easier. It's a little bit easier to explain questions or explain prepositions that answer where questions. And there are two questions for where that will be helpful to us. So I'm going to put these questions in the chat box. Okay, the first one is, where is it? And those are prepositions that tell us about the place. Where am I? I am in the car. Where are they? They are at the party. Where's my friend? Whoops, and my slides have just disappeared. There we go. Where's my friend? Oh, my friend is at the movies. So those are prepositions that talk about place. Now there's another type of prepositions that answers the question, where is it going? They're about movement prepositions. So where am I going? Would be the second question for where. Where am I going? Oh, I am going to the airport. I am going to my office. So let's go ahead with some of the slides now. I'll just check quickly. Any questions so far? Anybody have any comments that they want to make so far? Okay, on we go.